So I cannot do this interview because I've been eating off everything on the table. So they're called grabbable coconut edible sweets, Grace's treats. Bite-sized, beautiful, delicious, and fun. Those are my words, actually. Kathy Gale, she's the creator, producer of Grace's. And actually, she was, what, the first producer? One of the first producers?
One of the first producers of Smile
Jamaica. Yeah.
The revamp.
Yeah, that was about 1941. She don't look it, but she not old, believe
Either
it.
do you, because you were one of the first presenters.
Great to see you. Tell me about Grace's.
Grace's is a product that my niece and I, originally, were these. We call them pops, flavored grater cake. And my niece and I were ramping with grater cake. We just wanted something to do. And we decided, you know, just boring, white with red top. And we thought we'd just add some flavor and give it some shape. Made them bite size because the regular size is just a little too big, too much for any one person to consume. And we figured, do them small, do them pretty and tasty.
Yeah.
And
so this is just a hobby for you?
yeah.
Oh, but you still earn from it, though?
We bet back the money.
Yeah.
Because we like to this, we package them, and especially for special occasions, and we personalize.
I was just going to say, so it's not just about Christmas?
No, no, no. We do it anytime about the parties, weddings, get-togethers, birthdays.
Yeah.
So we don't stock it.
So you don't have a physical space?
No.
But if I want
No.
it, so how would I
Give me a call.
Yeah.
I'm on Facebook.
Okay.
All the information you can get from here.
All right, let's go.
Regular coconut drops, but they're more tasty, juicy,
Yeah, I can
and
tell you
crunchy
that. I eat that
than the regular.
3/4 diet already. That's number one. Number two.
Those are pops, and they're lemon flavored.
Yeah. So this is regular coconut thing, but you put it up and
put a flavor in it, and that is butterscotch.
Butterscotch.
Yeah, should taste it.
I want that.
Blueberry. Blueberries is one of our newest flavors. We have banana as well, which is new, and that's orange.
Just plain orange.
Just plain orange.
All right, orange can.
And we have like another 10 flavors. This is just a little.
What is that?
This is coconut. This is fudge. This is country fudge. You know, fudge. I used to get grandmother used to make those things. You never had a grandmother in country to make fudge. I'm sorry. Here. No. Try it.
No, I'm going to take the whole light. You just put it over. Don't worry about it. I will deal with that. And what are these little boxes?
This now is an example of our most popular packaging. We call this a taster box. You can hold everything.
Sakina, come here, please.
Love everything. And I also have a little game for you guys. There's some fudge in there. 3 different.
Call me twice when it comes
I know, to food and things. So what we do? Just open it, taste it, and I must tell you is what?
Tell me what flavor it is.
It's fudge? That's the fudge?
It's fudge. Yeah, they're all fudge, but they're different flavors of fudge because we do fudge in different flavors. And we also put coconut in there as well.
Today.
Mint.
What happened to you?
Wait, no.
Yeah, peppermint.
Mint. Oh.
Hey.
We work together. Come, next thing.
This one now.
We work together.
Yes, dear.
So what are you going to use to cleanse my palate?
Right, I never should be
Jody
tasting
taught
too.
me, yeah.
You can smell that.
What you smell? And the smell, yeah. These are smell
Lemon?
wonderful. Yeah, you're good, man.
I mean, I smell the thing.
But no stuff up, so
Oh, wait, the butterscotch. This is butterscotch?
Yeah, that's butterscotch.
And the last one.
Pops. And the last fudge is
Caramel.
close, but not quite.
Toffee.
Butterscotch.
Oh.
Goodbye. Go.
So that tastes like this? Taste this.
Different than this, but it's the same.
It's the same, because this is a lot of coconut. This is just fudge.
This is wonderful.
Yeah, it is.
Go.
No, you're done with it?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
That's all you wanted me to do? Okay, fine.
And we have, everything is mini size. They're all bite size, so you can just take one and go and share. That's the whole point of it too.
So,
You can share.
folks watching, them want it, what them do?
Call me.
What kind of lead up time them need?
I need at least a couple days.
So me have a party
Well,
Saturday.
today's a good time to let me
here
know.
too,
And it
yeah.
depends on the amount as well. on how much.
And you can
you're
cater
gonna
to
need.
any amount.
Just about, with time.
Hundreds, thousands.
Yeah, because we've done displays and stuff like that. We've gone to fairs and we've had to, yeah man,
Brilliant.
it can be done.
I like it. I like it.
Endorsed by the Neville Bell.
Yeah, I like it. And
Yeah.
I've done a tasting everything.
Everything.
Great to see you.
We do shapes and all. Very good to see you
Great to
guys.
see you.
Haven't
Same.
seen you in a million years.
Well, I say great to see you. About see you guys. Oh, guys coming in. You know me at that.
It's great to see you, Neville Bell.
Thank you very much. And that's soon have a strain of weed called Bertis. Anytime when you hear about that, you can go buy. Good to see you. Say hi to the family for me.
I will. And
That is
same
there.
to you.
Grace's creator and the producer. Where's Sakina though? She just eat and go.
I'm right here. I'm right here.